Welcome back to SHIB Planet. After just over 2 years, many people keep wondering how come so many people keep holding their Shiba Inu token. And the stats on crypto exchanges tell a very interesting story that Shiba Inu remains one of the highest held tokens on their platforms. And so today we're going to discuss a recent report from CoinDesk which states that 20% of Cryptocom's reserves are currently held in Shiba Inu token. Welcome back to SHIB Planet, everyone. This is Ace. The crypto exchanges are revealing their asset balances following the FTX bankruptcy saga, and Shiba Inu is coming out surprisingly high. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, the recent drama with FTX going bankrupt has prompted crypto exchanges to try and reinforce trust with the overall crypto community. And as a result of this, crypto exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com have publicly shared their current crypto reserves as a measure of transparency. And this is basically where they publicly disclose how many of their customers' assets or crypto holdings which they currently hold and match one-to-one on their balance sheets. And I think this is a really good thing for transparency, and this is probably something which actually should have been practiced among crypto exchanges all along. And one interesting revelation from the current wave of transparency is this article here from CoinDesk. Check this out. They say Crypto.com's preliminary glimpse of token reserves reveals 20% in Shiba Inu Coin. And the article goes on to start off by saying the swift collapse of the FTX crypto exchange has sparked an industry push among big rivals to publish proof of their reserves as a means to provide transparency into the assets on their platforms. And this chart here shows that Crypto.com has $2.8 billion in total asset reserves, and a massive 20% of that is in Shiba Inu, worth about $558 million. And this is even higher than its current holdings in Ethereum, which currently holds about 17% of their total assets, among other assets such as stable coins and other mainstream assets. And their reserves are in their reserves, Shiba Inu is second only to Bitcoin, which currently holds about $800 million at the moment. The article goes on to say that according to Crypto.com, the reason their proof of reserves include such a high balance of Shiba Inu is because that they actually hold their customer balances on a one-to-one basis on their reserves, and that pretty much means that their reserves are actually a true reflection of both user interest and activity. And I guess this makes a lot of sense, primarily because Crypto.com is a retail-driven exchange, so it makes a lot of sense that its balances would reflect high balances of both retail-driven tokens like SHIB and Doge, etc. And so after the collapse of FTX, there was a call for crypto exchanges to become more transparent with their user funds. And to initiate this, the CEO of Binance made this tweet. He said, all crypto exchanges should do Merkle tree proof of reserves, and banks run on fractional reserves. Crypto exchanges should not, which I agree with. And he goes on to say that Binance will start to do proof of reserves and show full transparency. And this is pretty much the message which prompted other exchanges to start doing the same. For example, if you guys have seen the recent tweet from Crypto.com's CEO, he tweeted that he tweeted a rough estimate of their proof of reserves, and I've just shown you those a couple of slides ago. And this is pretty much what is happening all across crypto exchanges, so expect to see more full transparency of crypto exchanges' reserves probably over the coming weeks. And what I find interesting from this is that if the balance is in Crypto.com's reserves is a one-to-one representation of customer holdings, that means that about 10% of Shiba Inu's current market cap, which is roughly about $5 billion, is currently held with Crypto.com. And so I'd like to imagine that places like Coinbase and Robinhood may have similar holdings because they share similar customer profiles. So that's just some interesting insight which we've picked up from this recent revelation. And to wrap things up, at the moment, retail sentiment of Shiba Inu continues to grow. With the current holders of Shiba Inu, they have grown by over 15,000 since the beginning of the month of November. And this has happened even though there has been a recent market crash, as many holders took the opportunity to set up a position or increase their position whilst the prices of the tokens were overall fairly low. And that is it for today's update, guys. We are all collectively waiting on more news around Shibarium. As you guys know, Satoshi recently said that this is going to be his main focus now that Shiba Eternity is in full swing. And if you guys like the way I cover the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the best way you can continue to support this channel is by simply hitting the like button and also leaving a comment, because those two actions will help share quality Shiba Inu content with the community. And once again, thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Ace. Peace.